First, before we talk about Revit, we must talk about building information modeling, or BIM. The building information modeling is a process of connecting all the building stages, starting by architects, structural engineers, MEP, builders, owners. The concept of building information modeling has existed in the 70s. In 1987, there was a company called Graphisoft used a program called ArchiCAD to make something called virtual building. The virtual building was the first implementation of building information modeling. After that, the term of building information modeling was first appeared in 1992. Then the first version of Revit by a company called Autodesk Revit software. It was not by Autodesk. The history of design. As you know, first we used many tools to make our design: pens, pencil, rulers, triangle, compass, and our calculator was the only thing that we can calculate our equations. After that, there was a system called CAD, computer aided design or computer aided drafting. That was a huge step that helped many engineers. Most of engineers are now using AutoCAD that applies the system of CAD. In AutoCAD, the main tools that we can use is lines, arcs, circles. All of it are 2D elements that don't have meaning. Only I, the engineer that is using the program, understand the meaning. For example, if I'm architecture and saw two lines, I'll think it's a wall. For structural, he will think it's a beam, and so on. After that, the next step was the AutoCAD 3D and 3ds Max. They are 3D programs, but also using elements that don't understand the purpose of it, like cubes, cylinders, spheres. All of it are 3D elements that are used to make a huge or a larger shape using it, but also I'm the only one to understand the purpose of it. Building information modeling, as we said before, use a concept called building information model, 3D model. When I add to it information or data of time and schedule related information, we get a 4D building information model. The 4D, when it have cost related information, it give me 5D BIM or 5D building information model. If we add the project lifecycle management information, we now have the 6D BIM or the as-built model, and that's the main use of Revit.